Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can use Microsoft Teams for your work or for your personal use. So, now in the last video, I showed you how to download Microsoft Teams. So, when you download and sign into your Microsoft Teams account, it will take you to this page called Community. So, over here it says build your community, plan community events, engage in discussions, and create a safe place to collaborate. So now if you click on create my own, you're going to have to set up everything. But over here it's already given you templates such as school, business, sports, professional, and many more. So for now I'm going to click on school and it will already create your community. So the description, if you want, you can write the description about this. Let's say that I'm going to write the description as this is a school group meant only for educational purposes. So now once you put the description, you can change the community guidelines, which is basically the rules of your community or your group, and also require approval to join. So if you're the owner of this community, you should I suggest you put this on so that you know that who is actually in your group and who is not. So what this does is that before somebody joins, it's going to send you a message that this guy wants to join your community or your group. So now you're gonna click on create your group. So now it takes you to your group called school, and also you can add many channels over here. You can add files or photos, or you can add a new post or an announcement. So let's say you want to add a channel. So you're going to click on add channel and you're going to name your channel. So you can, let's say you name this math, and also you can add any emojis you want or anything else. So now you will click on add. So now it's going to again show you start a new post or an announcement. So let's say that I want to alert everyone that there's a new maths test going to come up. So I've gotten the wind that there's a new math test. So I'm just going to click on announcement and I'm going to type a headline over here. So now I've written the announcement as math test on June 17th. So over here you can change the colors of the background. So you can just play around and find the one which suits the heading the best. Or you can find something else. You can click on custom background right here and it will either generate an image for you or it's going to give you images which are already there. So math test on June 17th. Get ready to ace it. So all of these templates are already there for you and you can choose any one of them. So let's say that I like this one. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on done. So now over here it says math test on June 17th. Get ready to ace it. So over here I can write a subheading such as there's a math test on 17th June. These are the chapters blah blah blah, and then you will have to study for it by this much time. Okay, so now for the main body, I have written it as chapters, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now if I'm fine with all of this which is written over here, I'll click on post. So now as you can see, my message is being sent over here. So if I can click on view conversation, if somebody has replied over here, then you can see what they have replied or what their thoughts on this message are. But now there's a problem. It's just me and nobody here. So how do I add somebody in this group? Let me show you. And you're going to click back on school. And now you see this small icon over here which says invite members. So you're going to click on that. And you have to enter the name or their email or their phone number to add that person. So you can add a number of 30 people at a time. But right now I'm just adding one of my friends right here, so I will click on invite. So now once you have invited your friend, they can go ahead and accept or decline your offer to join the group. So thank you, and I hope you learned something new in today's video. Just let me know if you want me to show you how you can use chat or calendar and your activity folders too. See you in the next one.